people. 20 gauge time with the Universal Winchesters. There you go, son. New England Firearms. One of the best single barrel shotguns ever made. And we're just gonna shoot a couple different things here today. Alright, Drake, whenever you're ready, just pick your target.
I felt that come back and hit my eyeball.
Oh yeah. Good old New England Firearms. Look at that smoke. Oh yeah. Good old sweet nectar. So we just split that milk jug down there completely wide open. And it's funny because it didn't even come off the log, Drake, and it stayed on and just psh. So anyway, we'll load us up another one here. Like I say, it's 7.5 shot Universal Winchester. Oh yeah, smoked it. Good job. Oh yeah, get you a whiff. So anyway, now we have got a few more things down here that we're gonna shoot at. Oh, look what we got. A couple more milk jugs. So let's, oh man, ooh, that was nasty. Oh well. I got flip-flops on. I got like, sexy! There's always a little collaborated milk left in the bottom, you know what I'm saying? So, anyway, we're gonna go again. And this time I'm gonna set this other one up. Alright. Because I might take me a shot at one. I'll put it on the ground. Alright. Dun 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 dun. Oh, Mario brother. But yeah, New England Firearms are hard to beat, people. I think we've done a video or two already. If you look back to the playlist, shooting this thing a time or two. Good job. Oh yeah. Alright. Well, I'm gonna put on the stand here. Oh, sorry for the jiggling. Take a shot at that milk jug on the lower. Right down right there. Alright, people. Actually, you know what? This is the first time I've shot this particular one. I had one like this when I was growing up. That I shot probably roughly 1,500 times, every bit of it. And it was definitely good. Like I say, it was New England Firearms as well. Some of the best single barrels ever made. Alright. So this is kind of close. Hope we don't get a back spray. We're going to do a milk jug right there. Oh yeah, boys. Definitely. Whew. Oh yeah. Like I say, New England Firearms hard to beat. We shot this one, I don't know, probably about 150 times, something like that. I don't know. Well, at least a 100-round brick through it. It was used when we got it. I shot mine, my old one I had when I was little growing up. So it was cool. He's got the same gun I had when I was growing up. One of the same. New England Firearms. Beast. So here, boy, take that. And we're gonna, tell you what, while we're at it, let's shoot this sour cream.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna shoot the sour cream, people. Man, it smells like collaborated milk down here. So, what is this right here? Breakstone sour cream. It's gonna be juicy. Get you a shell and go and come up there. I don't want to get too close. We're gonna get about 5 yards away. All right. Oh my God. Look at that. Painted that whole thing. Let's get that ejection right quick. Some people like seeing that. Oh yeah. Look at that. Painted the whole freaking thing, people.
Oh.
That was sour cream, old sour cream. It just went bad, so I decided to bring it out. Give it a whirl. So this kind of, I guess, 20 gauge versus sour cream too video. Pretty cool. I mean, that stuff went everywhere. Look, it's on the trees way over here. All right. Man, there's stuff dripping on me. Way over here on this plant. The hostas.
Way over there on the rocks.
Oh my God, it even went way over here.
White drips,
leaves.
that's what she said.
It went on these, splattered on these rocks over here. See that?
There's even drips over here.
And there's drips right over there too. See the white specks? And people, that is like, I don't know, from here to over there, 20, 18, 20 total feet of spray.
White drip spray.
I mean, that was pretty good. Look at that nastiness. Sorry for the camera wiggle. Anyway, and just all over that. I don't know how it went. Yeah, there is a little bit up on that right up there. But thanks for watching. And like I say, New England Firearms right there is definitely an excellent gun if you want single barrel breakdown to buy. Alright, definitely a good gun. So we'll definitely see you on that next one. Alright, go ahead. She got knocked. Oh, bloop, bloop.
I know you wanna subscribe!